So I currently have the key to the 2024 Toyota Tacoma, and I want to take a moment to showcase how to change the battery in your key fob should it go bad. So first off, grab your key fob like I have right here, flip it to the back, and you're going to see this little notch that has a little arrow showcasing where you're going to kind of slide it, which is in the down where I have it right now. So push that slider down, and while you do that, kind of pull on this manual key where you your keys will connect to a key ring. Just kind of pull on that. Now you're going to hold on to this because you're going to use it as a key. So inside there you're going to kind of see a little slot, and what you're going to do is you're going to put the edge of this manual key, which kind of has this bezeled edge, in the center of the little slot. So it's going to pretty much sit like that, and then you're going to twist up or down, your preference, and you're going to kind of split the key fob into two pieces. So doing that, there you go. So you can put your manual key to the side, and you have the key split into two pieces. So it's probably best if you flip it so the flat side is up, so that way the circuit board with the battery are facing up. So you can see that this is a Panasonic CR2450 battery. I'll put a link in the description for the cheapest place to get these on Amazon. You can pick whatever brand you want from there, but so there's pretty much anywhere you can put, like right there, you can put the key and pop it out anywhere around your finger. This battery won't matter, so you don't have to worry about damaging it, but it's a fresh battery for me, so I don't have to take it out. And so for my purposes, just kind of pretend I popped it out, put it back in, and you're just going to kind of do the reverse and clamshell it back together. I always joke when you're doing that, do not push the red button because you might freak out your neighbors and scare yourself when you do so. So kind of clam it all back together, which may be easier said than done in some cases. There you go. So there, the key is all back together. Then you're going to grab that manual key part, slide it right in. You can hear click, and you are good to go. So you will not have to code this key to your Tacoma or anything like that. It will remember that it is your key fob. If you're getting word like that from the dealer, they're just trying to rip you off. I mean, these batteries are what, less than $10, and if you get quoted for some ridiculous thing, which I see in a lot of my key fob videos, just try to watch these videos and do it yourself so you don't get ripped off, because there's no additional coding that needs to be done with these keys. They will remember that they are your key, that you just need to swap out the dead battery. But I hope you like this video showcasing how to swap out the dead battery in your Toyota Tacoma key fob. Thanks for watching.